I'm gonna be taking you guys along in everything I'll be doing today. So, but first, I quickly want to fix breakfast for myself, and also I'll be taking homemade food today because I'm taking my weight loss so serious. Not too long, I finished with my exercise. Look at how I'm sweating. I didn't go to the gym. I didn't go and lift or something. I just walked from my house to the bus stop. From my house to the bus stop. Then do cleaning, prepping and washing the like yesterday plate. Anyways, so I'm going to take my bath now. Then I'll fix something for myself to eat. So if you are watching to this time, thank you so much. Please subscribe, and we'll be right back. Give this video a thumbs up. And this is the previous one that I fried. Obviously you see that it get burned because I was doing other things inside. I even lower the heat. But it's still burn. You guys, sometimes when you are too busy and you are doing that, so I decided to dispose this one. Then I'm frying another one because I don't like plantain that burn.
I'm sorry for your loss.
I was also cooking rice here, and it's not cooked yet. I quickly come to check up on it so that I will focus on other things that I'm doing. Thank you for watching to this time. I love you guys. Please hit the subscription button. This is what I eat in a day, and I love you all.
Oh, I'm so excited.
So you guys, let's check on it. If I don't come back here now, this is going to burn. It's already burning. Have you seen? It's already burning. Oh, I don't like plantain that burn. I always want my plantain to be like this. You guys, forgive me for this fry pan. It has suffered. So I'm still waiting for my rice to cook. And this is my leftover stew. This is my leftover stew. And this stew has been like 3 days. Yes, because the kids have gone to school. If it's during the time the kids are in the house, like this stew will not survive 24 hours. So this is what I'm going to use: stew, rice, plantain. Yeah. So sorry, the pot is messy. It's just a leftover stew. So I'll take you guys along in every activities today. Thank you for staying to this time. We'll be right back. So you guys, this is my plantain. So this is how I actually love my plantain, and I'm the only one in the house. Yeah. So I'm going to be taking this with rice before the kids come back, before I cook dinner. So this is my breakfast. I'll talk to you guys later.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Alright guys, I'm about to eat now. So forgive my rice cooker, like it's so messy. So I'm about to take some to eat. I'm going to do two no by cooking one and a half cup of rice because I wanted, when this Jerry and Stelly come back from school, they can get some to eat. You guys, look at my rice. It's so white. It's so white. So I'm going to be taking this quantity because we don't want to eat too much. We are on weight loss, and this is my breakfast. I'm going to be eating this till 6 p.m. I eat again. Let's take what we can finish. Anyways, let's close this. This is the stew. I'm going to take the small stew so that it will not get finished. Yeah. So the weight loss recipe they gave to me: 1 chicken and 1 egg. So like this. So sorry, it's kind of, let me add vegetable. So my carrots, as you guys know, this is leftover stew. Then I'm gonna be adding the plantain. I'm gonna be leaving some for the children. I'm gonna leave this amount for the children while mommy eat this one till 6 p.m. Yeah, you guys, I'll be right back.
2,000 years later.
All right, guys, thank you so much for staying to this time. This is the conclusion of the video. Thank you so much. So that's what I eat in a day, which is today. So I'm taking my weight loss so serious, and I want the Christian mother hand to kind of reduce, because I've been so stressed, and I've always been skipping my breakfast. That was, I think, last year. So this year I want to be taking breakfast, because skipping breakfast is not actually good, and I snack a lot, and I want to reduce the habit of also snacking. And I expect that before my birthday, which is still very very far, and I expect to lose at least 40 kg or 35 kg. So this is what I want to achieve, and thank you so much for staying to this time. I'm about to step out now. I'm about to go and do some delivering. You guys, if you don't know, I deal on hair, wigs, raw donor, and like this, what I'm wearing is human hair. You can send me a DM on Facebook or Osas on Facebook, and on my TikTok is Luxury Wigs by Riri on TikTok. So thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Please do where to patronize your girl, all right? And thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscription button. It's actually free, so that the next time I upload video, you will be the first person to receive the notification. Thank you so much. Join me on this weight loss journey. Let's do this together. And I know that I've not been trying for myself as a mom. I wake up so early, prep the children for school, so on and so forth. I hardly get time for myself, and before I will have time for myself, it takes so long. And before I even eat dinner, it takes so long. I will make sure I finish everything I'm doing first before taking dinner, but all those routine has totally stopped now. I put on a new routine. I'll do for myself first before I actually do for the kids. Now that the school have resumed, the kids are in the school, I decide to do a lot of things, like prep them down, you understand, so that in the morning 4 a.m. I can easily go to the freezer and bring them out and kind of make the breakfast for them early. Thank you so much. I will gist you guys in my next video how I'm able to do this, and it's actually easy, and it has been helping my life. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.